Hello everyone, my name is Hian. Today I want to introduce myself to be friends with all of you. I come from Haizu City, a beautiful city in Vietnam. My family has six people, my grandparents, my parents, my younger brother and I. We are always very happy and laugh a lot. Now, I'm 20 years old and I'm studying in National Economic University, majors in investment economy that will show you how to use your money by the most efficient way to get bigger money. For example, if you want to have a company of you must save the money now to invest in the future through getting the building and buying machines equipment. It's my big dream when I was small. Now, I'm living in the middle of National Economic University and I usually come home when I'm having time in the weekend. Um, about my hobbies. In my free time, I listen to music, read some books, and meet my friends. Traveling is my favorite because I really want to come and discover strange places. Firstly, I come to Langmaster because I think Langmaster environment is very active and I want to learn English here and improve my skills. I hope that we will help each other to develop. But now, after one's course, it becomes my another home. In here, there are people like my brothers and sisters really. I love them so much. Thank you for listening me. Bye.